And now onto the demo. For this demo, I'm only going to show how to search, build, and run routines. If you want to check out the other pages, I encourage you to do so. Just a reminder, this is on vrooli.com, VROOLI.com. So this page you see here, this is the home page. This is what you see when you sign in or enter as a guest. You can either enter exactly what you want to do, you can check out some examples, or look at popular results. And if you don't see what you like here, you can click one of these boxes or the more results button, and it'll show a dedicated search page. These pages, I don't have enough data for scrolling, but if there was, when you scroll down, it keeps loading, infinite scroll. And you can see also, once you scroll down, this is an organization. So if you didn't see an organization that matches, you can maybe invite them. But if you go to a routine search page, when you scroll down, it's not an invite button, it's an add button. And a routine, there's two different types. There's the basic type, which just means it's a routine without any subroutines. And I'll click it so you can see what's going on here. When you create a basic routine, you can add a title, description, instructions, resources, tags. Once available, you'll be able to add smart contracts as well and specify which interfaces matched with this routine. So basically everything you enter here generates a single page of a workflow. And if you create an advanced routine instead of a basic one, it builds the entire workflow instead of one page. For the sake of time, I will not be creating this routine from scratch. Rather, I will update an existing one, which might look more interesting anyway. So if I go back to the home page, I can click on this example. And as we see, this example was created by the Vrooli organization, which I am actually a member of. So it will let me edit this routine. And I can edit it by viewing this graph, and it will bring me to the build page. And you also have to click the edit button, which will only show up if you own it, and then it'll take you to the edit mode. So there's a few different things you can do here. I'll start at the top since it's the most interesting. There's this unlinked section, and this will let you temporarily put nodes up there until you know a better place to put them. So you can see nodes here. If I want, I can drag it back into the graph. And then for now, I actually have to add a new link to connect it back. But I won't bother with that for now. So you can add new subnodes like so. You can either create a new one or click on an existing one. Creating a new one looks like that, simple routine creation that I showed a minute ago, or selecting an existing one. It just looks pretty standard. You can also delete nodes, and you can edit the information for this routine, like the instructions. Now that I've shown the basics of how to edit a routine, I'll briefly show what it looks like to run a routine. And remember, the form functionality has not been added yet, so running a routine does not look very impressive yet. So as you can see, when you first run it, it brings me to the first node, which is overview. Actually seems to be a bug, which I will probably fix before this video is finished uploading. Because roadmap should be first, right? And then overview. But anyway, overview, click next, goes to roadmap, then company, which you can see, well, this group of routines, and then it'll move to this one, and then it'll move to this one, and then there should be a decision, right? Because there's two possibilities. It doesn't know automatically which way to go. Alright, so overview, roadmap, company, validation, and then here's the decision. What would you like to do next? You can either end the routine right now, which you know, just close it, or you could go to the next one. And as you can see on top, as you complete routines, this loading bar indicates, you know, how far you've gone so far. And over here at the top right, you can see a graph icon, which actually opens up the steps, so you can see which steps you've completed so far, or you can even skip ahead and see. If you skip ahead, it doesn't automatically mark the ones previously as complete. You still have to go to them. And once you hit the end, which I'll just keep skipping through, you'll see there's a complete, which it doesn't actually mean it's 100% complete, because remember, I skipped a bunch. But when you complete this, it marks the routine as complete, and that's the MVP. If you made it this far in the video, I assume you found this project at least a little interesting. So here are some next steps that you can do. You can check out our project if you haven't done so already at Vrooli.com. You can join our Discord if you want to be part of the community or join our team. And you can follow us on Twitter for the latest news and updates. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.